What's good, y'all? It's your girl Sadie's. Welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing out a tutorial on how I got this slick low bun on my really thick 3C hair. So if you want to see how I accomplished all this, then keep on watching. So you want to start off with damp hair. I just took my hair out of a high bun, so I sprayed it. That's why it looks really crazy right now, but I'm gonna throw a little conditioner on my ends. I'm just using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Restore, Strengthen, and that's it. Restore and Strengthen Leave-In Conditioner. I'm just gonna throw that on my ends to kind of keep my ends moisturized while it's in the bun. I like to do that before I put in any type of bun or ponytail, just to keep my ends happy. I just squeeze it in there, you know. And we're gonna do the side part today. My hair is not as wet as I would like it to be, and it's also not freshly washed or anything, so I don't put a lot of conditioner. But we're just gonna part it, and I don't really do it with a rat tail comb. I do it with my wide tooth comb, and that seems to work for me. So we're just gonna get it straight with a little curve in the back. That's usually how I like it. And then once we get my part how I want it, we'll get it cracking. All right, so I'm gonna go back in and spray again, and really spray the top so that you can get it smooth, and kind of spray in between. Okay, so take a little more conditioner, and then we're gonna detangle a little bit just to make it a lot easier to slick it down, because when your hair is detangled, it's gonna make your life so much easier when you start to brush it, so you're not brushing through a bunch of knots, because that makes it super difficult. And we try to make this as easy as possible for y'all. Okay, she's all combed out now, so I'm gonna take my little smoothing brush. It's literally just a wave brush. I'm gonna kind of smooth down where I've parted it at, so that when we put gel on it, it's gonna kind of already know the shape that you are trying to get it to lay down in. And I'm gonna take my Denman brush. I wasn't always a fan of this brush, but it helps a lot when I do my buns. If you hear it raking through my hair, I promise you I'm not ripping my hair out. I'm just trying to get it smooth. And that's why we detangle first, because this will rip your hair out. Okay, so now that I got it fairly smooth, I'm gonna take some gel, and you're gonna start putting it on the top, and I'm using the olive oil eco styler gel. So now I'm gonna start gripping it into my bun. So I'm gonna smooth, and I'm gonna grab it. Then we're gonna take the Denman brush and really start brushing the rest of your hair back into your hand. I'm really just brushing my hair back and down, trying to get it as smooth and flat as I possibly can. And you just wanna do that all around your head, and you really wanna make sure you're getting it slick, because this is really, really thick if you're doing a side part. And then when you get to the front, start brushing it the way you want it to lay. And sometimes I'll just take my brush, dip it in the gel, and put some more on where I feel like it's necessary, just to kind of smooth it a little bit more. And then just keep alternating between the brushes until you get it how you want it. Then I have this hard bristle brush. I'm just gonna like really smooth everything down with that as kind of a final smoothing. And then I take my really big chunky hair tie and I'm gonna tie it probably like 3 times or so, because you want it tight but you don't want a headache. And then pull it, but we're not done yet. So you're gonna take a little bit more gel on the parts that are kind of frizzy, and we're gonna go to work on these edges. I'm gonna take my hair toothbrush. I know y'all have one, or if you have like those double-sided hair toothbrushes, that's cool too. But you wanna go in and spritz your toothbrush with your spray bottle, and then we're gonna take some gel and we're gonna like throw it on the line a little bit and then start molding. So like what I do for my edges, I do like 3 swoops on the like less hair side. So I just hold my finger and I do it like that. And I have a whole video on how to do your edges. I'll link it down below, definitely check it out. But this is how I always do it, like in my side part. And as you can see, it looks really cute as a ponytail, but I told y'all I was going to tell y'all how to do the bun. So I'm gonna show you how I style it as a ponytail, and I define my curls a bit more, and then I'll show you how I get it just like in the bun. So I just go in and spritz a little bit more. Oh, if you have any like loose parts like that, just brush it and smooth it out and it'll fix itself. I go in with a little bit more conditioner just to get it soft and happy. And honestly, if you want it really defined and you don't want to leave it like this is really cute, kind of just like to leave it as a little fluff. I think that's really cute. But if you want a little more definition, just take your dimming brush and just brush the end. Like, don't brush through the whole thing because it'll shrink up. But if you brush the end, it'll give you some really nice definition. Okay, so this is how it's looking now. And you can define it literally as much or as little as you want, but this is how it would be if I just kept it in a ponytail, you know, real cute, just chilling in a little puff ball. But if you want it in a bun, I'd just gather it because I still want the bun to look big, but not like a ponytail. We want it to be more bun shaped. So I grab my hair and I tuck the top pieces down, and I might even tuck the under pieces like that. And I'm gonna just go with my hair tie, and you wanna make sure that when you tie it like in a way that it hangs down. So I leave my hair tie a little bit on the top, and once you do that, you got yourself a nice little bun. I don't like to have mine really tight, like wrapped around, but it's just nice and cute. So that is the finished product. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, because it definitely turned into an unintentional 2-in-1 like low ponytail, low bun type of situation. So if you did enjoy it, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Join my little family over here. But other than that, I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.